Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi ji has given a clarion call for Atmanirbhar India, a self-reliant India, which is inclusive in its effort, which wants to become a global leader in electronics manufacturing as well as in software product development, as well as other aspects of economy also. We as a country would like to be on the leading edge as far as development of new age technologies is concerned, and we have the capacity to do so because we are now the 5th largest economy of the world. We are having some of the most extraordinary human resources to back up our claims to become a leader in technology. One of the things that immediately I think is a certificate of our claims is the fact that in the COVID-19 pandemic situation, we came from zero production of PPEs or the personal protection equipment almost 3 months back to becoming the 2nd largest producer of PPEs. And today we are producing almost 2 lakh PPE kits every day. Similarly, the biggest digital platform for monitoring and interacting with public as far as COVID management is concerned is the Arogya Setu platform, which again has today almost 13.6 crore subscribers. So I think these are testimony to the fact that we have it in us to lead on digital fronts. There are 2 aspects of Digital India that come out before me. One is the electronics manufacturing, where we have been growing at a rate of 25% cumulative average growth rate over last 6 years. And our electronics manufacturing has reached almost $80 billion in 2019-20 from $29 billion almost 6 years back. Today, we are around 5% of world's electronics manufacturing. We have launched some new schemes to take forward the story of electronics manufacturing, and we are hopeful that that will go a long way in establishing India as a global leader and a hub of electronics manufacturing.